Are your power steps not operating correctly? This is Mark with DIY Wise. Today, I'm going to show you a quick fix for them. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to give them a little help getting down there. You have to open the door depending on how far they go down. Push them down with your foot. Go down. I caught it with my foot. Catch it again. Push it down a little bit more. These ones are stuck pretty good, so. Once you get the steps down, you're going to look and see there's a hinge there in the back, and there's a hinge in the front there. These are likely frozen or stuck a little bit, so you're going to have to get these cleaned up. You're going to see these hinge points right here. There's two here and two on that side. Try to get that gunk off of there. See all that? We're going to get this all cleaned off first. See all that coming off of there? We got this side all cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead. You can see this side also. It's all goobered up in there. I'm going to get that side clean too. And I'm going to do the same thing to the front. I got these all nice and cleaned up. As you can see, they look pretty good there. But that's not the only hinge. There's another one right up underneath the truck here. So we have to get underneath the truck to get that one. So if we get under the truck, you can see these are the two we just cleaned up. These are the two up here that we got to do, and there's two more on the front here. We'll do the same thing on the front hinge. At this point, all I did was clean up the hinge points, all the points to make contact. Got them nice and clean, got all the debris and road, whatever it might be on there. Let's shut it and see how it works. It's going up automatically. Oh, it caught up a little bit there still, which is to be expected. Oh, it went a little further. Let's give it a little help this time. Oh, almost made it down. Let's give it a little help. You can see just by cleaning them, they're already working better. Get yourself a piece of cardboard, have it directly underneath those hinges. You're gonna want to get PB Blaster. You want something that's going to penetrate in there and clean out all that other debris and break anything loose that may be stuck. So we're going to go ahead, get the PB Blaster and spray it in there. It said make sure you got that cardboard underneath there. Spray it at every contact point. Get up under the truck, get those hinges there. Now that we sprayed that with the PB Blaster a few times, we're going to go ahead and move the step up and down a few times. All the way up, no problem. All the way down, no problem. So we're going to go ahead and do this a few times to get everything worked in there a little bit. We got stuck there. Give it some help. Alright, now that we got that, we're going to use some WD-40 on it. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with some WD-40. Now, one thing you're going to want to make sure you do, make sure none of these parts are rubber. If so, the WD-40 or the PB Blaster will make the rubber swell. Possibly. Alright, so we got the WD-40 on there. Let's try to actuate that a few times. Okay, so let's get that all the way down. Now here's the secret sauce. WD-40 Specialist Gel Lube No Drip. It's a silicone. It'll help prevent the rust, keep everything clean, and it will lube it. So we're going to shake this can up really good. We got everything clean with the WD-40 and everything. Now we're going to lube it up with the silicone. And if you have these that are rubber, mine are metal, you only want to use this gel lube. It's no drip. Any rubber, you want to make sure you just use this gel lube exclusively. We're going to go ahead and do this to all of the hinge points. Actuated a few times to try to get it in there a little bit. We only did the bottom. Okay, so we got that all lubed up now. It's actuated a few times opening and closing the door. Sometimes it helps to start the vehicle up. That way it has the full 12-volt power, so we're going to go ahead and start it up. Hear that squeak a little bit. Get some more in there. It's working its way in there slowly. Alright, now we want to actuate this a few times. We looped it up good. Make sure it works. The more you actuate it, the better, because it's going to get that silicone and it's going to get inside there and lubricate it better. This is Mark with DIY Wise. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.